Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Don't Starve with Friends Mobile Easy Guide. Open the game, tap Multiplayer, invite friends via code, and join each other's camps to share resources and tasks. Stick together early, assign roles like Farmer, Builder, and Scout, and set a meeting point. Communicate often with pings and quick chat, and prepare extra food and tools before nightfall to survive together safely. To host a game, choose online mode, create a private world, and set a password if you want privacy. Share the session code or friend invite in chat or voice, and have friends enter from multiplayer join. Adjust world settings for resources, seasons, and difficulty before starting, and choose character loadouts that complement each other. Test connection briefly, then start exploring while noting spawn points for regrouping for safety. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooperative guides. Quick recommendation: the device shown, the new Kindle Paperwhite, is great for reading game guides between sessions and feels comfortable to hold. Check the description for the product link and other deals. It's a handy companion on breaks. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Split tasks quickly. One player gathers food, another focuses on wood and tools, and a third scouts for rabbit holes and grasslands. Build a shared base near varied biomass to access resources and avoid long treks. Craft backpacks, campfires, chests, and a science machine early to prototype better gear. Share excess food to prevent hunger drops, and assign a dedicated night watcher for fires and incoming threats quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.